Nathan.
Wait, are we recording?
David. And Ray.
Oh
yeah.
Super random videos.
Who will be the deadliest worker? Biomedical expert Steve Lamberjack and ER surgeon Tim Weisenbaker will assess the trauma. Computer whiz Philip Gangley will load all the results into the computer program developed by Hufflepuff Studios to give us an accurate deadliest worker.
The computer simulation will be run 10 times to develop an accurate battle rating for the deadliest worker. Because, you know, if you only did it once, that's just stupid. What somebody was better 60% of the time and the other person was only better 40% of the time? I mean, the person with 40% could win. That's just so stupid.
We had to cut him off because he was going on an extremely long tangent. Business expert Shawty Parkson.
I mean, businessmen are built to kill. That is all they do for a living. So I'm going for the businessman because that's who I represent.
Businessman descendant Davy Goldstein. Yeah, I mean, some of my ancestors, they were awesome businessmen. They obviously have the better weaponry than the construction worker.
They had weaponry?
Yes.
That's a nice tie you got there.
Thanks.
I didn't know that businessmen descendants wore ties.
Yeah, I'm trying to act cool like the kids out
What
today.
you do for a living?
Wait, are we still recording? Representing the construction worker team is construction worker expert Jeffrey Williams.
Now, all these construction workers, we like to play games with our tools of destruction, our nail guns. We play a little game called Shoot 'em Up. And if, well, no, that doesn't work. Okay.
Did you lose your script, sir? Sir, did you lose your script?
Yeah.
You lost your script, sir? Well, we'll just skip you.
Another representative of the construction worker team is construction worker descendant Pat Trigg.
Now, my grandfather worked in New York, and I like to work in New York too. We got McDonald's every 2 blocks, so we'll get a little.
What's going on?
No, technical difficulties.
The weapons of the businessman are the click pen, the stapler, the foam, paper clips. Paper clips. Goodness gracious, give me some paper clips. That's not paper. It's good
Paper
enough.
clips.
It's good enough. And the rolling chair. Oh yeah. The weapons of the construction worker are the screwdriver, the nail gun, the hammer, the throwing nail, and last but not least, the jack.
The brew. We don't know what this is, but
It's
construction worker will win.
You know, it's supposed to
Do
be.
not point your camera at the narrator of the show. Do not point your camera at the narrator. Ah! Do as you're told. You have been gutted with it. And now a message from our developer.
Yeah, see, we don't have any kind of, like, ballistics gel or anything. We don't even, we can't, this thing is on a cable. We can't move it more than, like, 5 feet. So, we can't show, we have to skip the actual weapon testing. However, we will show you which weapons got the edge, and we will show you the final battle.
Go.
Well, okay, we told you we were gonna, we were having funding difficulties. And that is still true. We weren't able to do 10 battles because of this. We were only able to do 9. But anyway, here are the results. I hope you're happy with them.
That's good. I didn't get like my
Just
hair.
stay in
and
the
pull it
chair.
back.
Okay, yeah, I got you. I'm wearing the cape. Yeah, I got you. Okay. And we'll go in 3,
Should I be
Say
holding
it.
this?
2.
No, it's already recording.
I realize that. Now, Rhett, start.
Wait, what? It's already recording.
Yes.
No.
You
do not
are
we haven't.
the son of a construction worker.
Stop
You
it,
don't know what
no.
you're doing? Guys, I found the paperclip.
Well, it's too late for that, Nathan.
We can show them the test for this, okay?
Really?
We'll see how far it digs into Rhett's face. Okay, Rhett, you ready for the test? Ready for this?
Yeah. I'm
We'll be
ready to
pretty
take
deep.
it.
Ah!
I see no subcutaneous damage here.